They're like, yeah, you're right. It's pretty bad.
Hope that picture turned out
Hey,
okay.
Barn.
They
Was it
did.
good?
They
Okay.
turned out well.
Alright. Such a
We were like, oh my god.
odd thing
You guys
to
live
do.
here. I mean, you were born here.
I was
Yeah,
born, how long
Sierra
did
was
you
born
live
here.
Yeah,
And how old are you, Sierra?
I was
25.
Moved out in 1993.
in
Yeah, so we bought it in
93.
94. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you guys have been here the whole time
Yeah, my
Wow.
dad and I, before the garage was put in, we had that like concrete thing. Anyway, long story short,
I'm recording.
No, that's too.
and I put in the date of 94, whatever 94 was.
since? Wow.
Crazy. Oh yeah, that makes
It
sense.
looks great.
With the other house.
Really good.
Kurt Cobain died in '94, and we were there. That was the first year we were there, so that makes sense.
Fireproof.
Oh, Cobain died.
Nirvana.
Yeah, no, I know.
No, I got that like time frame. I was like, oh yeah, I remember that. We were just moving our stuff in. So.
Oh yeah, we had to rebuild it, but yeah, it's better.
We used to swing. We had like a rope swing in the back, and just like swing
The jungle
from that side to the fence and back. And it's like, how about the boulders in the back? So it's like bigger. The weirdest. You always have
On-
like a dead body around the edge or something.
Well,
On this,
kind of redone.
Oh, yeah. Hot tub.
Oh wow, that stinky tree. Oh, the stinky tree went on that
So
side.
there's actually, I'm here.
no, that is fine.
I know, right? That's why we're
That's so
I actually put a door in the back.
awesome.
Oh, nice.
Ah,
That makes more sense.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a much